Your undercarriage can be a significant maintenance expense, especially in demanding applications. But let's look at 2 dealer programs that help you maximize your investment. CAT Custom Track Service is provided by your CAT dealer at no cost to you. Trained CAT dealer experts come to you on-site to measure undercarriage wear. You then get a full report showing wear patterns and percentages. The report will point out any maintenance needs your undercarriage may have. This helps you identify various management techniques to extend your undercarriage life, and that ultimately helps you lower your owning and operating costs. The other available service is Undercarriage Assurance. Undercarriage Assurance, if offered by your dealer, is a no-cost-to-you extended coverage program. When you purchase genuine CAT parts, those come with a standard warranty. Undercarriage Assurance may cover those parts if they break or are defective. This coverage varies by your particular undercarriage type. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.